Hi everyone, today I'll be doing this question for you guys. As you can see, they've given a plus b plus c equals 4, a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals 10, and a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is 22. And we need to find what is a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4. So you guys have definitely seen like similar questions like this, or maybe you obviously seen this exact question in other videos. So, but I want to show you guys of a different method that you guys might know this method. You guys might have done it using this method, but this would save much more time, this method, compared to the other methods that, the internet, the YouTube has. So I just want to show you, this is how I do this question. So I'll start it now. So first we can write a plus b plus c equals 4. So what you can do is, since you have a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals 10, so what I can do for this is I want to square both sides, all right? So now we have, so I can write like this, a plus b plus c in brackets square, because I'm going to expand this the way we expand a normal, a quadratic. To get a quadratic, the normal expansion, let's say you have a plus b. So when you expand this, you get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? I'm going to expand it like that. So how do you expand this? So you get a squared plus 2a into b plus c plus b plus c squared equals 16, right? So it's a squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus b squared plus 2bc plus c squared equals 16, right? So we have a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus, and now we have 2 common in 3 terms, right? We can take 2 out, and you can write ab plus ec plus bc in brackets equals 16, right? So can you see you have a squared plus b squared plus c squared here. So instead of that, you can put in 10, right? Because we have it equals to 10 in the previous one. So I'm going to put in 10 now. So 10 plus 2 into ab plus ac plus bc equals 16. So 16 minus 10 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 gives you 3, right? Okay, so you leave this aside. I'll show you what you can do with this. All right, so let me just say 16 minus 10 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Yeah. So that's your first part, all right? So now what you do is, now you can see in your third equation, you have a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed, right? So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to write a plus b plus c equals 4, and I'm going to cube both sides. I'm going to put to the power 3 onto each side, and now I'm going to expand it the same way I did earlier, but this time it's going to be a bit different. Well, so 4 to the power 3 is 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 4 is 64, right? Yes, 64. Yep. Okay, so how do you expand this? You can use binomial expansion. If you guys know binomial expansion, you can use binomial expansion, or you can use this answer and multiply it one more time with a plus b plus c. You could do that, but I'm going to use binomial expansion. Saves much more time. So it's 3c0 into a to the power 3 into b plus c into the power 0. If you guys don't know binomial expansion, just drop them in the comment section. I'll put a separate video of how to do binomial expansion, alright? So to find the value for 3c1, 3c2, so those are combinations. You have to use your calculator for that, alright? 2 plus c to 2 plus 3c 3 into a to the power 0 into b plus c. I'll write it just a bit below. So I'm telling you guys again, if you guys need help with this, just drop them in the comment section, alright? So now 3c0 is 1. So it's just a to the power 3 plus 3 into 3c1 is 3. So that is squared into b plus c plus 3c2 is also 3. b plus c squared plus, and so in this whole thing equals to 64, right? I just won't write that down. So equals to b plus c cube equals to 64. So you leave all of this aside for now, because we have to expand b plus c to the power 3, right? So how do you expand that? So b plus c to the power 3 will give you same. I'm going to use binomial expansion again. So 3c0. I'm just going to straight away write down, because I can do it in my head. So I'm telling you guys once again, if you guys need help with binomial expansion, just drop them in the comment section. I can make another video like with, a detailed explanation of how to do binomial expansions. So it's b cubed plus 3b squared into c plus 3b into c squared plus c cubed. Now you can add this with what you had above. So it's a to the power 3 plus 3a squared b plus 3a squared c plus 3a into b squared plus 2bc plus c squared plus b cubed plus 3b squared c plus 3bc squared plus c cubed equals to 64, right? So now let's get the common terms together. So we have a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3 plus c to the power 3, right? We can leave that aside. And then we can write 3e squared b plus 3e squared c plus 3e b squared plus 3ac squared plus 3b squared c plus 3b c squared plus, so we had 3a into 2bc, right? I'm just writing that in the end. 6abc equals to 64. So now what I'm going to do now is, so instead of this a cube plus b cube plus c cube, what can we put? We can put, was 22, right? So this whole section is 22. So 64 minus 22, what does it give you? 64 minus 22 is 42, right? So you can write, so I'm going to take the 3a squared terms. You can see a squared. I'm going to just factorize it. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm writing 3a squared. I'm taking that out and I'm writing b plus c plus, and now the b terms, all right? 3b squared a plus c and plus 3c squared into a plus b. That equals to 40. Oh, sorry, we got plus 6a ABC2, right? Equals to 42. Yeah. So now can you see? So we had a plus b plus c equals 4, right? We had a plus b plus c equals to 4. So can you see if you write b plus c equals to 4 minus a plus c equals to 4 minus b. A plus b equals to 4 minus c, right? So you can put these substitutions instead. So I can write 3a squared equals to 4 minus a plus 3b squared into a plus c is 4 minus b plus 3c squared into 4 minus c plus 6abc equals to 42. Okay, so now let's expand it. So we get 12a squared plus, I'm going to take the cube, let's take the cube terms first. 12b squared plus 12c squared, okay? Those are all your square terms. And now then you can see, if you just look carefully, you have minus in every term, right? So I can take the minus out, and I can write 3. You can take 3 out, and I can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube, right? Plus 6abc equals 42. So for this section, I'm taking 12 out. Taking 12, I'm writing a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus 3 into a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 6abc equals to 42. So this will give you, so 12 into a squared plus b squared was what? What was it? Was it 10? Yep, 10 and 22, right? So we have 12 into 10 minus 3 into 22 plus 6abc equals 42. So you got to use your calculator for this one. So this gives you 6abc equals minus 12. So abc equals minus 2. Okay. So now here comes the other method I was talking about. So we have a plus b plus c equals to 4, right? And we had ab plus ac plus bc equals 3, right? Oh, what was that? Yeah, ab plus ac plus bc, that's 3. And now we have abc equals minus 2. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is, so if I take a polynomial, all right, a polynomial, a cubic root. So if I write it like this, so let's say the polynomials. So let's say this is the format. So if I divide every term by a, the coefficient of x cubed, if I divide every term by a, we're going to have x cubed plus b over a x squared plus c over a x plus d over a, right? So what I want to tell you is these are actually, so a, b, c are roots of a cubic polynomials. Okay? So b over a equals to minus a plus b plus c. Okay? c over a equals to ab plus ac plus bc. These are the formulas you have to remember. D over a equals to minus a, b, c. So this giving you minus 4, this 3, and this 2, right? So if you put them in your polynomial, it will give you x cubed minus 4x squared, yet minus 4x squared, plus 3x plus 2 equals 0, right? Okay, so this is your polynomial now, your cubic polynomial. So what you have to find is a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4, right? You need to find what this value is, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to multiply this cubic polynomial by x. both sides by x. So that gives you x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x equals 0, right? So what I want to show you guys is in this polynomial rule, so you can write a plus b plus c as the sum of a as like that. So a squared plus b plus a squared plus b squared plus c squared as the sum of a squared, and a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed as the sum of a cubed, and a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 as the sum of a to the power 4. So you can put these instead of your x terms here. That's the rule. So it's going to be the sum of your quartic terms minus 4 into the sum of your cubic terms plus 3 into the sum of your squared terms plus 2 into the sum of just your x terms. Now this will give you the answer for a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4. So now this is 4 into, so we had 22 for that, right? It was 22 plus 3 into a squared plus b squared plus c squared was 10, I think, plus 2 into a plus b plus c was 4, right? Equals to 0. So now you use your calculator. So this gives you the sum of your quartic terms as 50, which means a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 equals 50. Okay, so this is how we do this question. I hope you all understood. So if you guys find it like difficult to understand this, so what you can also do is you can write your quartic equation. Okay, so A, B, C are the roots, right? Remember I told you earlier? A, B, C are the roots of this polynomial, of this cubic polynomial. So we can write a to the power 4 minus, like this. You can sub in each of your roots. Like that. And your final root, this is 3, sorry. And now what you can do is, so this is your first equation, second equation, third equation. You can add them together. Add all 3 equations together. And then you get a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 minus 4 into a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3 plus c to the power 3 plus 3 into a to the power a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 plus c to the power 2 plus 2 into a plus b plus c equals 0. Okay? You can do that. This is the same thing. So what I was trying to show is this means the sum of a to the power 4 terms, and this means the sum of a to the power 3 terms, so on. So it's the same exact way, okay? You get the same exact answer. So your final answer is this. This is your final answer. Let me just circle it with another color. This right here. So a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 equals to 50. I hope you all understood. If you guys have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section. And if you guys need any help with binomial expansion the way I did previously, please drop a comment. If you guys need a tutorial on that, and if you guys like my teaching, leave a like and subscribe. Have a great day, and thank you so much.